beauties, it's me, Evie. Again, from the house that I'm moving from. We are, coming to you in real life. I got an Ipsy. It's BoxyCharm with Ipsy, and I actually used most of these products to do my makeup look. I hope you like it because I fell in love with some of this stuff. So, Ipsy, BoxyCharm with Ipsy is 5 full-size items, and you get them every month. The details are in the description. You don't need to hear me say it here. I'm going to jump right in. First thing we have is a product that I have used before and love. It is First Aid Beauty Deep Cleanser with red clay. I don't think I've used this particular one, but I have used their cleansers before, and I am so happy to get this. It's a little bit more of a pricey item that I would definitely, it would be a treat for me to buy if I repurchase, but I love getting First Aid Beauty. It's so good for your skin. I've used the moisturizer, the acne stuff. It's just a good brand. So, extremely happy to get this. And I will be using it because I just ran out of cleanser. The next thing in our box, I took everything out of packaging beforehand, obviously, so I could use them. We have 5 brushes, and I really liked them. I did not, I'm pretty sure this is not an eyeshadow brush, but that is what I used it for. I'm suspecting these are more like facial, lip, kind of maybe eyebrow situation ones. And this is from a brand I don't know. I don't believe it's BYOD, but it like the Y and the O are together. So there you go. Those were very good. I liked them a lot. And then we have something from Voss. It's Pretty in Paradise. Y'all, you know how like a couple of years ago the sunset look was like super, super popular? Well, I don't know where this palette was then, but I love these colors. However, these colors don't come out this color, but they are beautiful. And the next thing we have is from Buxom. This is one of those words that I can't say. Buxom Beauty. I've loved their things. I've used their brand a lot. This is called a Plump Shot, and I have it on. I love the way it smells. Mwah. It's like a natural look for me. Love this. It has that like peppermint sweet taste to it, and I'm here for it. Now, our final thing is from LAVAA, Los Angeles. And it is this mascara. It says No Chill Lengthening Voluming Mascara. That is just not supposed to smudge off. So there is that. I'll show you the wand. There's the wand. I really liked it. I had that on as well. That is our box. And I hope that you enjoyed seeing this. Hopefully you'll see it in time where you can go choose your products that you want in your box for this month. And if not, you'll know that you're going to get a great box no matter what you get, because BoxyCharm with Ipsy is terrific monthly subscription. So thank you all for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. opening Ipsy. So, yeah, follow me over. Remember, you're loved. Like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Leave me comments. Do you like it when I do it faster and just like have it open and used on my face? Let me know. Give me comments. I love them.